What's going on, guys? So today we're back at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna check out everything now that Dino Land is closed. We're gonna ride some new rides. We have the new Zootopia Zoo Together. Gonna check that out. Maybe get on Everest, see what's up with Pandora. So come join me. So we're gonna check out Zootopia, the new show that's in the Tree of Life that replaced A Bug's Life. Never seen that show, so unfortunately I missed that. But let's check out, see what Zootopia has to offer.
You all way down. We will not be able to start the show until everyone has a seat.
So just got of Zootopia Zoo Together Day, little show, 3D show. It's pretty cool. References a lot of the characters from the second movie. I prefer the second movie to the first one, but nonetheless, really good show. The kids will love it. So it was about a 25-minute wait. Not bad. I think I waited less, but on to Pandora. Just got in line for Flight of Passage. Posted wait time was 70 minutes, so let's see how long.
Still waiting, Valentine's.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee.
So just got off Flight of Passage. It's such a good ride. The smells, the scents. It's like a euphoric ride. I love it. Now, I think it's time to get something to eat. I'm kind of hungry. So just got done eating, heading out of Pandora, gonna head into Africa, the motherland, and go on a safari. Check that out. Haven't did that in a long time, so come on. It's only a 20-minute wait. I could get behind that. That's good.
It's not a word for reading. But you're all sitting for. Unfortunately, they're critically endangered, and that's because they're often poached for their horns. People think their horns have medicinal value, but they don't. They're not special. They're just made of keratin, like your fingernails in your hand. Male and female bongos have horns, and they use those horns to get through the dense underbrush of the forest. They're active. So if you want a visual for that, that's about as wide as the cloth canopy on this truck. Those are the Nile hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a Latin word, and it means river horse. They get that name because adult wildebeest here. Wildebeest is an Afrikaans word. It's actually wildebeest. They're about 6 feet tall. Adult giraffes' necks can be 6 feet long, so that's a pretty big size difference. Stuff like that, by the way. He's having a great time. He's not upset at all. If it looks like it's stuck, it's not, I promise. Yep. She sure might. If I were to guess, see, she's gonna hear me talking about her and do it. If I were to guess who the culprit was, I would have guessed her, but I knew it wasn't her. She's back there, right? But I think it's great. I'm not upset at her for it at all. This tongue's way back with the okapi. A giraffe's tongue can get to be up to 18 inches long. They're useful for them to get a lot of their food to larger herds. One of my favorite facts is that African elephants are afraid of bees. It's something we discovered right here on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. It means wide, not right. And that's because of their wide, flat mouths. My rhinos have a very poor sense of eyesight, but that's okay, they make up for it with their senses of hearing and smell. So if you ever notice your ears moving and turning, you're utilizing that outstanding sense of hearing. We'll get a great view of them. Oh, there's a rabbit there. If any of the three of these lions were to roar for us as loud as they could, you could hear it from up to 5 miles away.
So just got off of the safari. That probably was the best ride I ever had. The animals were like super active. That was a good. And as you can see, the Dino Land archway is gone. There's nothing. Now you can see in the distance, construction going on. Looks exciting. Well, I believe the walkway to even go down that way is closed now, so it's nothing. And then here is the path that we were walking down to go to Dino Land, USA. It is now blocked off and you can no longer walk that way because everything is ripped up and they're doing construction. It's funny, this building is still there. I wonder how long that's gonna still be there for. So that is gonna do it here from Animal Kingdom. I feel like we accomplished a lot today. We rode Flight of Passage. We rode the safari. We rode Everest. Ate some good food. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.